I requested this audience, Father, to discuss a matter of great importance. It cannot have escaped your attention that I and Merlin have grown very close.
Not too close, I hope.
We're in love.
I've been alone with you inside my mind, and in my dreams I've kissed your lips 1,000 times. I sometimes see you pass outside my door. Hello, is it me you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes, I can see it in your smile. You're all I've ever wanted, and my arms are open wide. 'Cause you know just what to say,
I'm glad you're here, though.
and you know just what to do. And I want to tell you so much. I love you.
Arthur. Thank you.
You too.
I long to see the sunlight in your hair and tell you time and time again how much I care. Sometimes I feel my heart will overflow. Hello, I've just got to let you know, 'cause I wonder where you are, and I wonder what you do. Are you somewhere feeling lonely, or is someone loving you? Tell me how to win your heart, for I haven't got a clue. But let me start by saying I love you.
I'm on my way. Sorry I'm late.
Don't worry, I'm getting used to it.
Oh, Gwen. She gave it to me.
The mortius flower. It can only be found in the caves deep beneath the forest of Balor.
Are you somewhere feeling lonely? Is someone loving you? Tell me how to win your heart, for I haven't got a clue. But let me start by saying I love you.